So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPad on iPadOS 27 or 26, the 120 Hz refresh rate just isn't working for some reasons. Now, this can happen for just a couple of different reasons out there. Number one, the big thing to consider here, the number one thing to remember here is that within iPadOS 27 or 26, you will have to go through and really kind of consider your low power mode being enabled. If your low power mode is enabled in any form or fashion, you will have to make sure you don't have it fully disabled. So go through, disable it, and that should click on your 120 Hz. You might also want to just make sure that there's no thermal throttling inside of this as well. Your iPad can get very hot, so if it does get very, very hot, your best bet is to go through and just make sure there isn't any sort of thing stuck in there like that where it is overheating. That can also be another really big part of it as well. Also, try restarting the iPad. So go through, try restarting the iPad. That can also be another really big part of it as well. And you can also try updating iPadOS. So go through, update your iPadOS version, and that probably could click a few things into place that could also end up fixing this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.